If WhatsApp refuses to open on your iPhone in 2025, don't panic. You're definitely not the only one. This issue has been affecting a lot of users recently, but the good news is that it's usually easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the most effective steps to get WhatsApp running again, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. First, head over to the App Store. Tap the search bar, type WhatsApp, and check if an update is available. If you see the update button, tap it. Outdated versions can easily cause the app to crash or fail to open, so this is a simple but important first step. Next, we're going to clear out any temporary issues from your device. Open your settings, scroll down, and tap General. Now go to iPhone storage. Give it a moment to load all your apps, then scroll until you find WhatsApp. Inside the WhatsApp storage page, choose Offload App. This removes the app while keeping your chats and data safe. Once the offloading is complete, tap Reinstall App to put it back. Now for the final refresh. Restart your iPhone. A simple power off and power on can clear out background glitches that might be blocking the app from opening. After your device restarts, try launching WhatsApp again. In most cases, it should open smoothly, and your problem is solved. And that's it. A quick and reliable way to fix WhatsApp not opening on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching.